kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute father. Let's start with the eyes. Draw 2 round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy, smiling mouth. Next, draw the face shape and neat little ears. Now, add the hairstyle on top of the head. Then draw the body and the waving hand saying hello. Add the colored shirt with buttons and a pocket detail. Now draw the long pants, belt, and nice shoes. Now it's time to color. Add soft colors for the skin. Use light blue for the shirt. The pants with brown and match the shoes with dark brown. Color the hair with brown. You can also add some shading to make the drawing look more lively. Your cute father is ready. Great job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!